sent it to him, and he said that he didn't know what to do, and he wouldn't mark me down for it, basically.
Oh,
And
that's
all of
cool.
the solutions I found were using jQuery, which
Yeah.
we're supposed to use. So I think I'll go back and fix it with jQuery once, like now that it's all graded, before I put it in my portfolio.
Cool.
We can use jQuery.
I don't
No.
I don't think so, because we can't use any library.
Okay. Yeah.
A bit of a nuisance.
Yeah.
I'd love to use jQuery. And,
I know.
Yeah. I like jQuery.
I think I'm pretty much ready to send mine up for grading too.
Well, yours is much fancier than mine, so if mine passed off, yours I'm sure will as well.
Yeah.
So
That,
let's see.
Let's have a look at yours.
Hello.
Hi, Jason.
Hey, Jason, how are you?
Hey, good. Can you hear me?
Yep.
Yeah.
all
Okay,
good.
perfect. Good.
Hey, tell them your good news, Ellie.
Oh, I sent my app in today to get my first assessment on it done, and it got an A.
Whoa, cool.
Wow, you're so cool.
For my journal.
What'd you say?
I still have to do the little journal.
Oh, and when is the journal due?
Like the
Okay.
middle of
8th of April, I think.
14 or something like that. I had a kind of a weird due date, I thought.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's awesome. That's probably such a relief.
It is. So even if I don't do the journal, the worst I can do in this class, I think, is an A- at this point. So that combined with the fact that I'm going to pass my C++ class no matter what, I'm feeling pretty good.
Oh, that's exciting.
So
That's so
anyway,
cool.
okay, I'm going to do the screen share and I'll show you what my app looks like.
Okay.
Cool.
I thought for sure he'd come back with stuff because it's not that fancy, but
No, that looks awesome.
so here's this, and I have it set so that the 5-digit zip code goes into your local storage. So
All right.
next time you load the app, it'll load whatever zip code you searched for last. So like if I search, and then I also added it here to like the search list.
Oh, yeah, like a Google search type thing.
Yeah. So let's see. There we go. I don't know why it was loading so slow. So then this is where I am at right now.
Wow, that is so cool.
So then, like, if I refresh my page, sorry, I think it's running really slow because I'm screen sharing. But if I refresh my page, then you can see it loads Reading. But if I search for Jayton, what's your zip code?
85704.
Oh, come on. It's going really slow, sorry. So then, like, if I refresh my page, it'll pull Tucson first. So
cool.
Really slowly. Someday. There it is. So anyway.
That is cool.
That's all it is. It's not. And then I've got like my when my fields are active, I had to adjust because I had some stuff for hover, but you don't hover in a mobile app because you're using the screen. So I changed it to like after something was touched to have it do it.
Yeah.
And then my two side things slide in, but they're moving really. I don't know why my system's so slow right now. But anyway, so that's all I have.
Cool.
Oh, you're done cool.
So
now, how are you going with yours, Jayton? Shall we start with a prayer?
Oh yeah.
Cool. Are we recording?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, good. Okay. Who's going to say prayers for us today? Okay, I will. I'm so grateful for all the blessings I can get.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Our kind and loving Father in heaven, we're so grateful to meet tonight, and we're excited about almost coming to the end of this semester, and we're grateful that Ellie has done so well. We're thankful for all that thou has blessed us with. We're grateful for our families and the support we get there and the love that we all share. We pray that we'll enjoy the spirit of meeting tonight and and be grateful for the opportunities that we have to progress with our education. And we say this humbly as we open our meeting tonight in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen.
Thanks, Glenn.
Yeah. Hey, that is just so cool, Ali. I'm as excited as you are. Yeah. Oh, that's neat. So how are you going, Jaden? How far have you gotten? Yeah.
Pretty good. I hopefully want to be pretty much almost done tonight because
Wow.
I just set today aside to just try and just get it out of the way. But let me show you what I have here. 1 second.
The journal, while he's pulling that up, the journal's due April 7th.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah. I had a panic. I thought it was at the end of week 10, and I didn't have it ready, and then I saw that it wasn't due then, so I was very relieved.
Yeah.
I've been just plodding away with that, just writing something every week.
Mm-hmm.
Some of it seems so disjointed, it's not even funny. But that's just me, I'm guessing.
Yeah. And then there were 2 other assignments listed in the professional scheduling, professional behavior. Those 2.
Yeah.
He told me that they don't really work in the online platform. And
Right.
so he's like, I just do assessments on those and grade them. So he just he's like, they're worth basically no points. So I just kind of give them to you. So
okay.
I know we had talked about that before. What is it we're
Yeah, we
supposed to
did.
professional behavior, et cetera, et cetera.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah, those are the ones he mentioned like in the meetings, but like
Yeah.
I couldn't find anything written about them.
Kind of where I was. It's like the information at the beginning was so confusing, and I was trying to figure out all my classes. I can't remember exactly what we're supposed to do for this. So I emailed him today, but he said it was all good. So anyway, okay, Jayden, let's see your app.
Oh, okay. So I couldn't think of a good title for my app, so I called it this. Is it good? So you basically
Are you
just
sharing?
Are you sharing?
Yeah, am I not?
No, we can't see that.
Oh no, hold on. It says is sharing a window with Google Hangouts. Huh. One sec. Let me. Hold on here.
Hey, did I say that I got one of those certificates, the CIT certificate?
Oh, you
Isn't
did?
that cool? I was chuffed. Got this flash bit of paper and so cool.
Amazing how much work you put in for a little paper.
Yeah. They give you a wallet thing and a wallet one, and which would never fit in my wallet because it was so big. Well, my wallet's not that big, I mean, but the piece of paper was.
Can you still not see?
No, can't see that.
What the heck? Hold on. Try this.
Ellie, you can't see that either. Ricardo?
No, you want to post the link in the group chat, and I'll see if I can access it, and you can walk us through it.
Yeah, hold on one second.
I don't know. Is it online?
No, I haven't committed it yet. But
Oh, okay.
Let me see. What about now?
Oh, we got you now. Wow.
There we go.
Oh,
There you go.
Whoa, look at that. Oh, that is cool. Wow.
Okay, so I called it
good.
Is it good? So you just type in movies and then it does a search
Wow.
for the movie, and then when you click it, it gets you scores.
Oh, I like
From
that.
these
I
places.
I like this.
Animate over how the stars.
Yeah, I had a random goal. I don't know why. I wanted it to be a one-page application, so I figured
This is close enough.
little pop-up modal they call it. It's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
That is.
But yeah, it's pretty simple. But the hardest part is you kind of have to scrape a lot of because a lot of it is written in strings. So if you look like ratings, so some ratings, this is what I get back, 7.0/10
Oh, okay.
percentage. So you kind of have to like parse it and then turn it
Yeah.
into a number, and then
Right.
that was the only kind of tough part because the rest, everything is there for you. You just
Wow,
have
that
to
is cool.
That's awesome.
put it in.
I
Yeah,
am
thanks.
impressed.
I hope you publish it. I want that app.
Yeah,
Yeah,
me
I'll-
too.
We always debate about stuff, my husband and I, when we're trying to decide what movies to watch. And when it starts out a little iffy, he's like, "If this is bad, it's your fault." Dang it!
Yeah.
Nobody wants to be the one to pick the really crappy movie.
That's
So
No,
we
that is cool.
Yeah, but there's a few issues that I need to make like a little loading animation, because sometimes the database takes a little while, and so you
Wow.
click something and it just sits there. So I need to show something that it's thinking.
Loading.
Yeah.
Loading animation.
Yeah,
I think that's cool as it is.
I think it's way cool too.
Look at that. That's way cool.
Yeah, there's one thing I want to add. I want to actually kind of average out scores, and including the box office if it's good, and kind of weigh things that I like, and so it could actually say if it's good or not. So I can.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah, thank you. I like
that,
movies.
that looks so cool
Yeah.
too. Wow. How about you, Ricardo? How you going?
Okay, I need run with my project. Okay, I think I should choose a simple project. My project is a big project.
Big.
It's about the delivery food, and I don't know. It's I need apply that all topics in the class. Yeah, in my
Okay.
my project.
Have you started it okay already?
Yeah.
You want to share that with us?
Okay. I share my screen. Dun, dun. Okay.
Wow. Wow.
Okay. Okay, this is my project, but I need a run with my project. Is my second day working in my project.
Okay.
Yeah, the idea is choose food and location, send the information.
Wow. So you find out where, like a restaurant, or is it just recipe type thing?
Yeah. But I think I shows a simple project. Has the last semester I working in a project the weather site, for example.
Wow, that's a nice picture.
Yeah, but okay, I need working in my project this week.
Okay. That sounds good. At least you got a project and a start, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Wow.
Yeah.
Well, that does look good.
Mm-hmm.
I really like the layout. I like your
Yeah, I do.
your images, and I mean, it looks really well. It looks really classy as a mobile.
It does do.
Page.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
I'm really not good at that. It's always really impressive to me.
Yeah.
Design is not my strength, but that's awesome.
Okay.
I like this font that you've used, Patty's Peruvian Food. That's a nice font.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I promise that next week's I have more about my project.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Look, I've sort of having trouble with my dates. Can I share? Let me try sharing, eh?
Yeah.
And you'll see what I mean.
Yeah.
Let me go. Here we go. I go to. Oh, where am I? Oops, that's not what we want, is it? Let me go here. Can you see anything, guys?
Yeah.
All
right.
That
looks cool.
Well, what I have a problem with is the sunrise. Like, that's great for local, but when I go to a remote city, it stays with my locale. So I go to, say, New York. I go to see if this works. It's going to be interesting. I think it comes. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Sometimes it works and it doesn't. So look at the dates for times for sunrise. It's picking up my time. It's using a UTC date number, which is in milliseconds from 1970. But
So
why is I don't know how to change that.
Sorry, so it's saying what time the sun will rise in New York locally to you.
That's correct. So at 11:45 tonight for me, it's going to rise. The sun is going to rise in New York. So I'm thinking of just getting rid of this box now because I've been struggling. Unless someone knows how to do that, you get a number. I mean, in the object, you get. Let's see if we can see this. In the object, you get these numbers here. 15222160, and that's a millisecond. The millisecond since 1970. So if we have a look at the UTC 82. Well, here we go. I've been searching all over the place just to get something that I might go to Brother Bayer. He might let me help me out there.
Well, you don't want it to go to local date, right? Because wouldn't the local date be? Isn't that the problem? Is that it's converting it to your local date?
Yeah, no, yeah, that's right. But that's the number I end up getting. This is the number I end up getting out of the. But I converted. I'll just say, wondering if I even can. I can't even think where it is. Here we go. Okay. Forecast, JSON, pass, forecast. Response text. No, that's a forecast. It'll be down here. In here. in here. See the time here? What do we got? Temperature, humidity, wind speed, high, low, description, temperature unit, direction, pressure. Oh, it must be in here. My weather icon, source icon, PNG. That's the switch. This is the right forecast. Convert to time. Here it is, function convert to time. So sunrise and sunset. So what I do is I create a new date, 1000 times the sunrise, and then I get the hours, the minutes, and the seconds from that. So, and write it out in this form. How I can't think of a way to identify it as being non-local though, that's all. Do I have to do something with this 1000 maybe? Is there another factor I have to use? Anyway, I'll talk with him and see what he thinks.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So and then
I don't know. Maybe it's a problem in the array. Like maybe it's returning the number itself is coming back to you as your local time based on where you're pulling it from instead of.
Yeah, that's possibly what this may be, eh? This number here may be coming back to me.
So maybe the problem is not because like looking at the way you had your code set up, I didn't see anywhere where it was shifting it to local.
Hey, why don't we just try something? I wonder if someone can pull the JSON text for me, and let's do it at the same time.
Okay.
I'm just going to send you a link to my
Wait,
JSON.
So how do you convert the UTC to your time? What function do you use?
I use the date, new date. I do, hang on, I'll just go up here. I think it is control find new dates.
Yeah. So I think
I
it
do
was
this.
date.
Because it was 1000 baht times
that number.
Yeah, that number for sunrise sunset to create a date object, right?
Yeah, I create a new date object, and then I extract the hours, the minutes, and the seconds from that date.
Yeah, so I think, yeah.
Shall I just send I'm just wondering. Here we go. Let's do this. I'm going to drop this in here, and you just put instead of city here, put New York maybe in there, eh?
Okay.
All right. I'm just going to, I'll put that in the, where's the other? I'll drop that in here. Okay. It's got my API ID in there, so let's see if you can copy that out and see what numbers it returns to you. Maybe I should have just taken this.
Let's do New York, you said?
Yeah, just chuck in New York, and I'll check the numbers that you get back.
So I have, wait, what is the
city? Just
I
take
have
out
I have the object back. I just don't know what I'm looking at here.
Maybe I should just take that.
Oh, the sunrise? Sunrise?
Yeah, sunrise, yeah.
Yeah, I have 15222333946.
Okay, let's have a look at what mine is, eh? I'll just have a look. So I get 15222 for my. I'll just redo that, eh? I'll just see if that comes back differently. I'll just try again here. New York. So I'll just see. I should actually just get rid of that, clear it first, and then do a reshiggle. That's on there. So where do we see that? Is this 152221680?
No,
So what's that difference?
So for, I think this is the right one. Yeah, Sunrise. Sunrise, I have 15222333946.
Yeah, yours is different, huh? So I'm actually pulling out my. I'm just gonna change that. Sorry, to New York. Hang on. York. Oh, now have I checked in? I should have cleared that.
So it is that the number being provided to you by the array is in your local time.
It sounds like it, eh?
So it's a problem on the API side, not a problem on your code side.
No, it isn't. It's actually a problem with the API.
So that's got to help you feel a little better, at least. No.
Yeah, it does. Well, I'll have a chat with him and see what he thinks.
Okay.
But I've actually created an array a dynamic table that pulls the forecast data.
Oh,
so
cool.
I get the dates there and the icons and the weather, minimum temp, maximum temp. I'm not so sure how valuable these minimum and maximum temps are because I don't know how they forecast them because that data is pretty much in there. I've just got to now store my favorite. I just got to do this and click on this thing here. And it normally starts with a white star.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to click on that and make it to store it into, so that when I come back up with it will be New York. But that's pretty much my app, I'm afraid, guys.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's cool.
I made the graphic in behind static because I was going to get some animated rain. I tried it out and it was a bit ugly, so I'm just going to animate my background again. So that's about the size of it for me.
Awesome.
I managed to get around my problem with location.
Uh-huh.
I just chucked it on my. I'm pretty sure I chucked it on my. Oh gosh, where is it? This is my finished product. I chucked it on the this site here on the GitHub site, and it sorted for me.
Oh, cool.
So which is cool. And New York. But that thing, so that's working on that site now. So which is cool. I'm gonna just that's me. So thanks, guys. I think we're done, eh? And we've had some exciting news. Good on you, Ellie.
Yeah, that's awesome.
hopefully you guys will have similar news here real quick.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
We'll let's touch base again next week and make sure that Ricardo doesn't need any help with anything on his mobile app and be good to go. I think next week's our last team meeting. So
Awesome.
It
Sounds
is.
good.
It is. Okay. Right, Ricardo, you're good to go?
Yeah.
All right. I think you're going to do it fine, huh? Okay, guys, thanks very much. Anyone say
All right.
closing prayer for us?
I could say it.
Cool.
Dear Heavenly Father, we're grateful for this day and the time we had to have together as a group, and we're grateful for the opportunity to learn so that we can better our careers and ourselves, and bless us that we can have clear minds to finish our projects and finish the semester accordingly. And we say these things in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
amen.
Amen. Cool,
All right.
guys.
See
Have
you
a
later.
great day, eh? Okay,
Bye.
then. Bye-bye.
See you.